Alright, so let's compare the newly announced Doogee S200 with the Hotwav Hyper 7 Pro. These two 5G rugged phones are in some ways very similar to one another. So in this video, we'll be pointing out the differences and similarities, and of course you could comment which of the two devices you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go, guys, the Doogee S200 versus the Hotwav Hyper 7 Pro. Which of the two 5G rugged phones is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.